Hi friends, myself Karthik Shiva. I have a very long story to tell how we reached this amazing place, Gandikota. Let's start the journey. We are in the Royal Enfield showroom, Andhra. We just came here to check the bikes. Okay, Chief is giving some ideas before the ride, and we are sharing the map. Okay, these are the bikes which belongs to a gang. So some Himalaya, some 350, and some 500. Okay, we are good to start. We took the Puttur road as of now, and we are facing a hell lot of traffic here. This is an Andhra highway. I just want to go fast, but this bus is totally disturbing me. Let's cross this. I just want to capture these goats. It's good to see in the road. So this is our first break. Everyone is like totally dehydrated. We just need some water. We stopped it after driving on 50 kilometers. Look at the sun. Oh my god, it's too hot, really.
ஐயோ எடுத்துட்டேன் அப்புறமா யோசிச்சேன் சரி ஓகே அப்போ தள்ளி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் விட்டேன் செல்ஃப் எடுத்து தண்ணி விடுப்பா இது பார்த்தீங்களா
We are good to go. Wait for it. Vicky will be losing his control there. It's fallen. I will watch this again and again. This particular scene. I totally like it. Get ready for the second stretch. We guys will be maintaining in speed with around like 90 and 100. On average it will be on 90. So this is the Ghat road. We entered the Ghat road. Here the roads, the bends will be, the corners will be too good here. We enjoyed the drive here. If you are going to be driving in the season of during winter, it will be amazing, but unfortunately we chose during summer. Look at the corner. Driving with UBH team is ultimate pleasure. Our team is UBH, United by Arts. Amazing road, amazing corners. Thanks to GoPro for capturing all this video. This is the one ride which every one of us totally like. Look at the guards. It's amazing. Taste the thunder. Red Bull break.
உன் பார்வையில் விழுந்த நாள் முதல் என் துன்பங்கள் மறந்து போனது.
Sam bro, you have anything to say?
Camera.
Shikaram. We just stretched for some time to relax our legs. Look at this road. I just wonder whether this is in Sahara or somewhere in India. It's totally deserted, and the time will be around like 12:30 or 1. We are almost hungry and we are totally dehydrated. What we need is some water or some juice, something like that. We are looking for some shops. We are thirsty. Boys have stopped somewhere. Oh my god. Finally. I guess this is a drinks break. Let's enjoy the drink.
இல்ல இல்ல மணி ஆளுக்கு அப்படி கிடையாது. வெளியே போய் டிக்கெட் ஆக்கி
We crossed over. So this is the situation after driving for 50 kilometers. We are tired. 100 more kilometers to Gandikota.
125 kilometers.
ப்ரோ அஞ்சாரி ப்ரோ
அந்த அதுக்கு தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
இங்கே ரூம் போட்டுருவோமா?
We are driving and keep on driving. The sun was behind earlier, now it is the front. The time was around like 4, something like that. Point to be noted, we didn't have lunch. Still we are driving. We started the day by 5 o'clock. Hi buddy. I'm not sure how much kilometer. I guess it around. They said like 350 kilometer, but as of now we crossed around like 320, and it is showing in the map around 60 more kilometers. So it's like 380 kilometer for us. Hoping we'll be reaching soon. Definitely we are tired. Finally we reached Gandikota after traveling 11 hours from Chennai. We thought like it is 350 kilometer, but it's more than 350. We didn't even have had a lunch, so very hungry. So finally we reached the place after 11 and a half hours travel. Yes, we reached. Let's remove all the shit, man. Thanks for taking care of me to all my gears. But what I need is rest. I need some air. It's totally suffocating. Finally we reached Gandikota.
Yep.
After 11 hours of travel. No food. Chief disappointed. No lunch.
No lunch.
Finally. Wow, what a place. It's amazing, man. Actually, we didn't expect this much camps will be available at this place. So it's quite surprising for us. We are asking for the barbecue. Look at this view, guys. Really, there is no such thing really by seeing this view. Totally and amazing. We are here for sunset now.
it's going to be 6. We reached a little late, but still it's not going to be disappointing. So amazing view. We can watch the sunset, and we booked the camps here, and we asked for some barbecue as well. So we can watch both sunset and sunrise and sleep under the stars. Pack up.
யார் பெற்ற மகனோ இவன் யார் பெற்ற இப்போ எல்லாரும் நம்ம தான் பார்ப்பாங்க. நம்மளும் கத்துவோம். 1 2
Woke up early just to watch the sunrise. We slept for only for a few hours, but still never mind. Don't miss the opportunity to see the sunrise being in such kind of a place. We came here for a ride, so just let's ride. We are just getting inside the fort. This is the entrance for Gandikota fort. Amazing view. Thanks to GoPro once again for capturing all this video. I shot all this video in 4K with the GoPro 6. Tamim brother is riding in front of me. Okay, we need to park the bike here and just we need to walk for some time.
Hello.
मेरा लेट क्या नहीं तुम्हें चलना सा
சொல்லிட்டேம்மா. ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி வித் 350மா. ஆமா,
அது குரூப்ல ஆட் பண்ணிக்கறோங்க. ராயல் என்ஃபீல்ட் ஹிமாலயன் குரூப்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு சென்னையில. சூப்பர். ரைட்ல
பங்குக்குள்ள வந்தா மட்டும் அப்பாயின்ட்மென்ட் போட்டு விட்டுறேன்.
We are filling up petrol again. We drive around like 700 kilometer. We spent around like 4,000 per ride for the petrol. So this is the end of the story. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the another video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye bye. Signing off.